seeing more feature and functionality, which we will implement as well. Okay. So first of all, I'm just going to import that same data set which we have used earlier. So click on this Excel workbook and the same data, Power BI data set, you have to import. So using this data set, we are going to create the visualizations. Okay, the proper dashboard where the header and the filters, everything we are going to use it. Okay. So same, only this orders tab you have to import, only orders tab.
Sir, do we also import or we can continue with the last time's
You
taking
can
over page?
yeah, you can continue with the last one and you can add the new page.
New page. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Power BI. Can I ask the reason or how
Ani,
to open that the same file?
can you see that what extension that file is containing?
No, I'm just going on file, open, and the name is also showing the file name. But when I click on it,
No,
then
no,
it
no,
is,
no. The file name is fine, but after the file name, extension is written as a .pbix or not?
yeah, .pbix. Yes,
That is
it is
written
written.
one time or twice? That is written twice. Share the screen. First tab. What we have to do is, first of all, I just want to give the header on this page and the page name, the header name or the dashboard title name, I just want to give as a sales summary dashboard. So if you want to give the title of the header or the dashboard title, then in that case, you have to use this text box. Okay. In the home page, you can see this text box. Click on that. It will add like this, and here you have to click and write whatever the title you want to write. Like I said, sales summary dashboard. Okay, then select this, and from here I can increase the font like I did 32. Then I can stretch here, I can add it like this. Now I want to align this to the center. Click on the center alignment. If you want to change the font name, change the font name from here. Okay. I
Anu, from,
want to give the background color
Anu, from where did you increase the font?
from here. If you will select this text box, then these text box properties you will be able to see.
Okay.
Then for the background color, I will just go into this format text box under that effect. In this background color, I will select any of the color like this, and then this sales summary dashboard, I will select this header, and then the font, I will change it from here black to the white. Okay, rounded corners I want to give visual border, and here I'm just giving the 11 pixel to the rounded corner. Okay, so now the title is completely ready. Okay. Now After creating this title, I want to add the some company logo here. Okay. So if you want to add any kind of images into your dashboard, okay. So what we can do is here, if you want to import or add any kind of image, then you have to go into insert, okay, and then you can see this image option. Okay, add an image to your report or your dashboard. So click on that image and it will give you the browse option and we will select that image here. Okay, so this image I'm selecting. You can select any of the image, okay? That is not necessary. So this CoachX image I have added, and here this image I will place it over here like this. Okay, so now you can see we have added the title and we have added this image over here. Okay, so first of all, everyone create till here and do let me know once this is created. You can add any of the image, it's up to you. Okay,
Oh, where you get the for the title?
this one in this
Okay,
effect
okay,
and this.
okay. Yeah.
You can select this text, then here you can see this font color and you can see that I want to give the some background color into this page. Okay, in this canvas area you can see this white color. I just want to give some another color in the background only. So for that you can go into this format your report page. Then you can see this canvas background. In this canvas background you can see this color option. So select any of the color which you want. For example, I selected this yellow color. And now I will decrease the transparency level so color will be visible. So you can see. You will keep the low transparency, the color will be high. Okay. If you increase the transparency, color will be light. So you can adjust the color according to you. So like I kept it on a 78%. Now, here, what my requirement is, first of all, let me show you that here, I just want to give total sales to the user, total profit to the user, okay, total quantity, total discount, okay, like this. So if you want to show only the total sales or total profit, okay, I'm not looking for category wise or the market wise. I'm not looking for. I'm just looking for only the total sales. So when the total sales or the total profit you will show, so that will be only a number or not, the single digit, correct? So if you want to show the scalar value or the single value, so in that case we use the card. So this card, this 1, 2, 3. Click on this card and add the sales. Click on sales. So now the sales figure will be added and we will adjust this. let it add. It is working. Yeah. So now you can see the total sales is coming as a 12.64 million here. Okay. We can adjust this one, the color, the font, everything. So I selected this visualizations. Click on format your visuals. And here below you can see the sum of sales which is coming over here. That is known as a category label. So if you do not want to show this sum of sales, you can turn off this category label, so that will get removed. And this value is known as a call out value. So if you want to change the font or any formatting related to this value, which is 12.64 million, so you have to go into this call out value, and from here you can change it. Okay. So now here I just want to add the title on the top as a total sales. So go into general, turn on this title, expand this, and you can write total sales. Okay. Now you can change the font name and the font size. So font name I have selected.
अनुज ये वापस दिखा दो प्लीज, थोड़ा फास्ट हो गया था।
Am I going fast?
नहीं नहीं, यही थोड़ा सा वापस दिखा दो।
Guys, I hope you are also writing the steps at your end, right? You are with pen and paper as well, right? If not, then please keep it with you as well. You want you want me to add this card again?
नहीं, इसके आगे।
This total sales?
यस।
So for this total sales, you have to go into general, turn on this title, and in this text box, you have to write this total sales only.
ओके।
Then I change this font to this UI board, and now I am increasing the font size like this to the 25. Okay, or you can keep it as a 22. Okay, now keep it as a center line. So I click on this center line. Font will be center line. Now in this header I want to fill the background color. Okay, so this background color I filled, and text color I selected as a white. Okay, and now this call out value I want to change, so I can go into this visual. In this call out value I can change this to any of the font you can select. Okay, it's not necessary that what font I am selecting you have to select. Okay, so whatever the font you want to show you can select. So now here I'm just selecting this UI bold and decreasing this font size to the 20, then increase some font, I say 25. Yeah, 30 is fine. Okay, this one. So now this is completely ready now. And also I want to give the rounded corners. So for the rounded corners, the same general, effect, visual border, and give the rounded pixel. Okay, so now this total sales is created successfully. Okay, now what I just want to create the others total profit. So what you can do is this visualization, this card which you have created, you can do the Control C and Control V, copy and paste, and just keep it in the side and remove the sales from here. Okay, and add the profit here, this one. So this total profit will be added. Total profit is coming. Only you have to change this title. So select the visual, go into format your visual, go into general, and in title, I will change this sales to the profit. That's it. Similarly, I will copy this once again, Control C and Control V. I will keep it in a side like this, and then I will remove this profit. I will add the quantity here and only change the header. So general, title, and I say this is total quantity. Okay, copy this once again, Control C and Control V, paste it here, and now we can add one more, which is known as a total discount. Okay, this one, and just change the title only to the total discount. Okay, so everyone just create all these four and do let me know once this is done.
Okay.
Okay. Once you click on this card, the card will be added on your screen like this, and here if you select this sales, then this sales will be added.
Okay.
Go into format visuals, general, in title आप इसमें कर रहे होगे इफेक्ट में, राइट?
हाँ हाँ
इफेक्ट में नहीं करना है. You have to go into this title, and in this title I did this background color to this blue and text color to the white.
ओके
Sales here below this 12.64 million that is coming, right?
Yes.
So you can go into format visuals, and this category label you can turn off.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
एक बार ये करने के बाद बस कॉपी पेस्ट करके साइड में करना है
हाँ
ना
हाँ, एक आपने बना लिया, just do the copy and paste, and only you have to change the field. That's it.
Okay.
ये कॉपी पेस्ट वाला एक बार फिर से बताना अनुभव.
Simply you have to select this visualization, okay, in which you have performed all the formatting.
Okay.
Control Z and Control V. Normal copy paste.
Okay. 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 And then
Format visuals, in the call out value you can change it.
Okay.
Clicking on this category, I'm clicking on this sales and clicking on this clustered column chart, the fourth one, which we have seen the last class as well. So clicked on that. Now this is added. Okay.
अनु पे क्वेश्चन है अभी मैंने ये राउंडेड कॉलम नहीं किया था
हम्म
जी तो अगर अभी अभी मेरे को सबको राउंडेड कॉलम करना होगा तो
You can select this one, go into this effect, and you can apply rounded corners.
ओके
Now here I have created this column chart, and now I want to perform the formatting, okay, in this column chart. So first formatting which I just want to implement in this graph, okay, the first formatting which I just want to implement into this graph is that I just want to change this header name. Okay, so for the header name you will just go into this general in title, and here you can change the header. Like I did sales by category, converted header to this UI bold, increased this some font size to the 18, center align, background color, and text color. Okay, and then I also want to give the rounded corners. So in the effect, visual border, and 11 pixel rounded corners. Okay, so that I have added it now.
अनुप, एक चीज मुझे पूछनी थी, जब ये ऊपर वाले जो कार्ड्स बनाए, तो ये जब ऑर्डर्स बिल्कुल एक्सट्रीम राइट कॉर्नर में जब हमने कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट करा, तो जो ये सिग्मा साइन है, जो जिसके आगे सिग्मा साइन है, उसी का टोटल वैल्यू लेगा क्या?
बिल्कुल,
अगर हम ओके, ठीक है,
क्योंकि सिग्मा का मतलब है न्यूमेरिक डेटा टाइप.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक ठीक
Okay,
ठीक,
this one.
ओके।
Okay,
Hi, Anup. In the top four chats, I mean the cards. So if we want to convert it into lakhs or else crores, is that possible, or else only
yeah, that
millions
is
and thousands?
possible. That is possible. We will see that also. That is possible. We can change the display unit.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Now I have created this sales by category, this column chart. Now just tell me, if I do not want to show this horizontal axis title like this category and this sum of sales, I do not want to show this in the graph, then what you will do?
I can see for access.
Hmm.
We need to off it.
Title, right?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, so I turn off this title, x-axis title, and now increase the some font size from here like I did 12, make this to the bold. Okay, similarly the same thing you have to do in the y-axis. In y-axis you have to turn off the title, and then you have to increase this font. Great. Now after that, if I ask you, I want to show the figure in the bar. So if you want to show the figure in the bar, then
Switch on the data labels.
correct, data labels. So data labels you will add, and you can perform the formatting in data labels also under these values. Edit board. So now the category wise sales is created successfully. Okay. Now I just want to perform into the pie chart also. Okay, so I can do the Control C and Control V. Okay, of this graph. Let it paste. Okay, so I have copy and pasted this graph, and now what I will do is I will simply convert this graph to this pie chart. So click on this pie chart. So it is converted into this pie chart and perform this formatting only. Okay, so here I will go into this format visuals. This legends is not required to me. Turn off, and now go into detail labels and label contents. Convert this to category and percentage of total. So you can see category name and percentage of total, and you can change the header or the title to sales contribution by category. So go into general, title, and sales contribution by category like this. Okay, this is created now. If you want to create more graph, you can create the more graph also. Okay, Like suppose if I just selected this Control C and Control V, we can place the graph here. You can adjust the graph.
So we can also use format painter, right?
For this graph,
Yeah, like last time you had asked, you had taught
for
us
the
like format painter.
for the formatting related, you can.
Okay, and like from the page one, like what graphs we had created last time, we
Mhm.
can copy in this dashboard.
You can.
Okay, that also is possible.
Mhm. So now I have added this third graph here, and now instead of this category, I am just taking the segment. Okay, so this is sales by segment. So all the things I will take related to the sales because sales summary dashboard it is. Okay, so this is sales by segment. Okay, this one. Now, okay, sales by segment is also created. Just a minute. Hmm. Now, I can copy this graph, Control C, Control V, copy and paste. I can paste it here below. And now here you can use the other fields. Okay, like here, instead of this category, I want to show the market. Okay, so you can see the sales by market. So I can change the header only, sales by market. Okay, then I can do the Control C and Control V, copy and paste. Okay, and then here in place of the market, yeah, order priority I'm using. So you can see sales by order priority. So only change the header, general, title, sales by order priority. Okay, and one more graph I want to create. So select this, Control C and Control V, copy and paste simply. And in place of this order priority, we can take the ship mode. Okay, so this is ship mode related. So sales by ship mode. Okay, so we have created all these visualizations here as per the requirement. Okay, so now these graphs are completely ready. So everyone, first of all, create all these graphs, seeing my screen, sales by categories, sales by market, and so on. Just create all these graphs, and then I will move further. Please do let me know once this is done. Take the time, no rush, but perform all this formatting as well.